Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have some more spoilers for the August Ipsy GlamBag. Now this is the standard $10 subscription, so I'm going to show you what we already have seen and then I'll show you the new ones. First, let's take a look at this bag. Here's a full shot of it finally. Now I found this on My Subscriptions Addictions and I will link her below. So let's jump into the spoilers. So first we have the Pixie by Petra Blush in Peach Parfait. Then we have the SL Miss Glam E61 Angled Shadow Brush. Next is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and this is going to be in the shade Bryn. And then next we have the Suave Beauty. These are single eyeshadows, and then you will either get the shade Coriander, Turmeric, or the shade Barbecue. And next we have a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. And then the Nanette Lepore Beautiful Times Perfume. Next we have the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And then the Vasanti Cosmetics Concealer Buffer Brush. And then we have the Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quenchers. Next we have Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy Wife. And then Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. Next we have Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And then the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. Then next we have the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Then next is the Youth to the People Superfood Antioxidant Cleanser. And then the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. Then next is the Buxom Big T's Plumping Mascara. So that's going to be interesting. So this bag is looking pretty good. So comment down below, what are your thoughts on this bag so far? And as always, guys, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.